Welcome to Machine Learning Shorts. Here I answer machine learning questions briefly. Today's question is, what is the difference between learning and memorization? To understand this question, let's assume you have never seen apples in your life, and I show you this picture of 8 apples. And then I show you another picture of this fruit and then ask you what it is. Most likely you will identify it as an apple. If you look closely, this single apple differs from all the apples that I showed you before in terms of size, in terms of color, and it has a leaf on the right side, but only one apple that I showed you before had a leaf, and that was on the left side. Despite all these differences, you are still able to identify it as an apple because your brain made an abstract model of different features of an apple or what an apple may look like. Let's take another example. We all know 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. What is 3 times 4? Since you have memorized this in your school, so you know the answer. It's 12. But what about 3 times 4, 1, 1, 5, 2, 2, 6, 3? Since you memorized the table of 3 to a finite number of terms, so it is very difficult to find the right answer to this instantly. In this case, your memory fails because memory can store only finite instances of information. However, you can still find the answer to this sum by using other strategies that you learned during your school or in your adult life. You may use a calculator, you may use internet, you may use paper-based solution. When you memorize and a question is asked, you try to fetch that information from the already saved information like a database query. If a test query returns no match, then you cannot give an answer. However, when you do learning, you try to generalize a set of information by learning some features or patterns and build an abstract model that helps you understand something that you have not seen before. For humans, this seems to be a trivial task, although not always. For machines, it is not that straightforward. By the way, the answer to that sum that I asked is this. Post your questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon.